guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well and welcome back to this channel again. So guys, as I already shared with you job openings from many countries, today also I will share with you the latest job openings from Kuwait. So guys, if you are interested to apply, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details. So this is the latest job openings from Kuwait. I hope this is a Gulf country, you all of know that. So let's know what is the job openings from Kuwait. So this is the urgent job openings in Kuwait, and let's focus. Urgent openings from Kuwait, shutdown large requirement. Offering for a leading oil and gas company. Final client interview at Mumbai, and you can see here that official address, and also it will be held on the Vizag locations. So let's know the job openings and how to apply, then we can attend the interview. So guys, as you can see here, this is the latest job openings for engineers, mechanical, supervisors, mechanical, rotating, rigging, welding and fabrication mechanist, and auto shop. And also, as you can see here, this is the job openings from Kuwait, and mechanical engineer jobs, welder jobs, different types of jobs. So safety officer job also, rotating equipment, rigger, general fitter, benches, welder, mechanical operator, fabricator, lager, heavy equipment, mechanic, mechanist, industrial labor, scaffolder, heavy equipment operators, driver, crane operators. As if you belongs to these professionals, then please send your CV to the given official email ID. All candidates should have oil and gas experience. That means you should have experience in the oil and gas industry. Gulf experience is essential. Apply immediately for submitting with CV, passport, and vaccination certificates to Mumbai International Office, Mumbai. So this is a genuine consultancy in Mumbai. As I collect informations, many of candidates are going to Gulf country by this consultancy in Mumbai. So guys, I just want to say here, don't give a single money to any person if you are looking for a job at abroad. First of all, you let them process successfully. After you getting visa and all the things, you can pay for the all process. But I don't want any of my candidates, any of my viewers or subscribers face any type of cheating. That's why I already shared in the previous videos. Don't give a single one to any person. Just submit your documents and try to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, tell them to process, and after you getting visa and all documents, then you can pay for the process. So guys, as you can see here, this is the Mumbai number and office number and also official email ID. If you want to apply, you can apply. If you want to directly meet to the officers in office, you can also visit to the office in Mumbai, Mumbai International. So guys, let's move to next job. Next job is housemaid required in Kuwait. Title housemaid, location Kuwait, designations housemaid, number of vacancies 500, salary ranges 29,500 to 32,000, gender female, age limit should be 30 to 40, job category domestic housemaid, preferred jobs female housemaid. So don't worry for the date, it will be extended and you can still attend the interview. So guys, Overseas Manpower Corporation in Chennai, they are taking the interview. So if you are interested to apply for this, so you can attend the interview. So let's move to next vacancies. This is a multiple vacancies in Kuwait. Urgent openings in Kuwait, shutdown, large requirement opening for a leading and oil and gas company. Client interview will be Mumbai and Surat in second half of week of May. And I told you don't worry for the interview. It is already extended up to July and August. So you just try to apply by the official email and contact them to apply to another interview. So for engineers in mechanical, supervisors, scaffolding, safety officers, rotating equipment, regard, general fitter, bench fitter, welder, mechanical operator, fabricator, lager, heavy equipment mechanic, mechanist, industrial labor, scaffolder, drivers, heavy equipment operators, crane operators. There are several types of job openings from Kuwait. If you want to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. But the thing is, I already shared with you the office details, office contact numbers, official email address in Mumbai. You just try to visit the office and collect the information. Then you just try to apply as soon as possible by yourself. So guys, I hope you understand what you have to do after you getting this information. You have to apply as soon as possible. And please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course, it will be valuable for them. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time watching this video till the end.